This assessment asks us to give a reagent to convert a primary alcohol into a primary alkyl bromide. Now, the reagent that jumps to mind first would be to use HBr. And so we won't show the mechanism, but essentially what would happen here is we would protonate the hydroxyl group, make a good leaving group, and then Br- would attack to displace it. That's one possibility. The other reagent that is useful for this transformation is to use PBr3. Either one of these would result in this conversion of a primary alcohol to a primary alkyl halide. Probably the better one to use would be PBr3 because the conditions aren't quite as harsh and are less prone to potential rearrangement and other side reactions. Either should work. PBr3 is probably the one you would actually use in the lab.